tuko na presentation about we have time ya kupatiana feedback na chukua hiyo maji chafu yako na madini ama sampuli kwa hiyo mikakati yote, usalama wa wafanyakazi, kustrengthen. Tunaongelea pia kuhusu after mining. Tuko na employment and all these other benefits. We anastahili kuweka hiyo mikakati yote, usalama wa wafanyakazi.
We have taken them through the 3 legislations. They have given us their views, which we are going to incorporate in the next processes of the for development of these new legislations.
We hope that our contributions will be taken and considered even as the legislations are taken to Parliament, so that by the end of the day our people benefit.
County mining officer in the county itself, it's very important for them to involve the stakeholders from the grassroots. Wale walio mashinani wako na uelefu, lakini wakija upande wa sheria na ile hali ya kulipiza pesa, wanaona kuna ungumu kiasi. Kwa hivyo ikiwa kwa ile kiwango ambayo kila mtu ana uwezo, we can have so many people in the industry.
We cannot put policy that is borrowed from the West and copy-pasting what the West is doing in only fair to the mining sector. So I would suggest that if we are introducing any policy, let's get in touch with what is happening on the ground, so that we don't end up missing the benefits of the mining sector, the journey is supposed to walk.